Hello, I am Revit and today I will tell you how to unlock the Forgotten. But the first I will tell you who it is. Forgotten. Forgotten is perhaps the strangest of all the playable characters, as it is actually two characters. When playing as the Forgotten, wait. Players will be controlling both that character and the soul. The Forgotten does more damage and starts with 2 bone hearts, which take 3 hits to deplete, whilst the soul only has a single soul heart. If the soul dies, so does the Forgotten. Unlocking this character is the most complicated of all, not counting the Lost pre-DLC. How to unlock? With secrets piled onto secrets. First, playing as any character, defeat the boss on the first floor in under a minute. A sound effect plays to indicate success. Then go to the floor starting room and it should be covered by the shadow of a shovel. Bomb anywhere in the room and the broken shovel item will appear. This item causes Mom to continually try to stomp the player, so be careful. Second, players must get to the depths to defeat Mom in under 20 minutes. This unlocks the boss rush. Beat the boss rush and the second piece of the broken shovel will be given. Forming Mom shovel. Next, get into the dark room floor and find the grave room, which should have a single patch of dirt in the middle. Use Mom shovel while standing on the dirt and the Forgotten will be unlocked. And as you heard, this way to unlock the Forgotten, it is very hard. Heard, but it is possible. You have also link in the description how to do it, and you may read it again if you not understood what I said. Okay, right, and that's all. Oh, okay. So thanks for watching. You leave like, subscribe, bye bye, and see you in other videos. And also on the ending gameplay with boss. Bye bye. Okay. Nice. Okay. I want see also treasure room. So wait a second. And secret room, where it is here. Now okay. Nope. But it was so far. Okay. Never mind. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and see you next time.